Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I get the following error notification while I try to create the profile name in Battlegrounds Mobile India and it shows name is already taken. So what is that meaning? So my point of view, this is not a error message, which means that if you only enter the text while create the new name in Battlegrounds, that name is already taken by someone else. So for example here I try to enter the some possible ways. But again and again it shows that same error message. So how to fix it? So very simple method is, if you enter your original name and in followed by you can put any special characters like @ symbol or dollar icon and also put the numbers followed by your name. But friends, now this time you can see my Battleground profile name is successfully created. So if you want to overcome this name already taken message, just put the special character or numbers followed by your original name. And this is only way to create your Battlegrounds Mobile India profile name. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.